Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you today is my pre-order for my autumn winter mini catalogue. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the Snowflake Splendor Design Series paper, and the colours on this are Balmy Blue, Coastal Cabana, Highland Heather, Misty Moonlight, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, Pool Party and Whisper White. So this is the only DSP that I've actually ordered in my pre-order. So I'm just going to go through each of the papers. Some gorgeous colours. So that's the first side and that's the reverse. This reminds me of a sky. And we have snowflakes on a white background. Then we have a paler version of the paper. And on the reverse we have these beautiful large snowflakes. Delicate snowflakes, I would say they are. In sort of blues and greens. Again, we've got a watercolour effect paper with the greens. Now we've got some more bolder snowflakes in the darker colours, blues and purples. Then we have the watercolour effect background with the white snowflakes all over. Here there's more subtle snowflake elegant design in the greens, and then we have another watercolour effect with the white snowflakes over the top and the darker shades. This one more bold snowflakes with the hint of pinky purple in there as well. So that is the DSP paper that I will be getting to play with at some point in the near future. I'm just going to pop it in there just so it doesn't get damaged. I've normally got folders to keep my 12 by 12 papers in so they don't get creased up and marked. Oops. Right, so I'm just going to show you some of the stamp sets that are on their own. Now this particular stamp set, Life is Beautiful, is actually something that one of my customers chose as she won. I had a little competition for my customers and this is the stamp set she chose. Now this particular stamp set, if you can just see there, it has got a gold badge on it, and this means that a Stampin' Up demonstrator has designed this stamp set for her million sales. So that's a very beautiful tree that you can use all seasons. That's a really nice nice stamp, and that's on clear photopolymer. Right, the next stamp set is Christmas Means More. Now this particular stamp set is very popular because of this particular saying, and if you personally know me then you'll know why. It's something that is very dear to mine and my husband's heart. So this is really nice. We've got some really bold scripts on there and great for just stamping on a card with some paper on the background, and that would be absolutely brilliant. And that one also photopolymer. The next one is Gnome for the Holidays, which I saw this straight away and I said I had to have it. It's one of those little fun stamp sets with little gnomes to colour in, and I think it's so sweet. So that's on the red rubber. Here we have Joyful Holly. So there's some really bold holly leaves images, and the leaves, so it's a 2-step stamp, so you can use that to colour your leaves, and you've got a may your season be merry and bright, and just some little berries as well. So I'm looking forward to playing with that, making some background or making some wrapping paper. That'd be perfect to stamp on wrapping paper or gift bags. So I'm going to have a fun time playing with that. Oh, there's another stamp, there's another sentiment down there, Joyful Christmas to You. I didn't see that one. And there you go. Right, so the next part is the bundles. So my first bundle is the Peace and Joy bundle, and this comes with dies. So I'm just going to show you because I've already run through this. So you have 3 layers of dies. So here you have the peace, which will cut out the word peace perfectly. You have this one here, which will cut around peace, and the final one is to go round, oops, as a shadow. So you can mix and match how you want to do your cutting. So there's one each for the sayings of bright and joy. Then you have these lovely messages, and I like the way this has been done with the dark background, and it's the merry that you see. I'll just show you. Yeah, you can see there. So your colour's going to be on the outside and not the inside where the words are. There was a similar set of stamps last year, and I'm pleased that they've brought another set like those. And then you've got some bolder images there that you can use. So I'm looking forward to playing with that one. It's nice you've got the versatility of how you want to cut them out, stamp them on that one. Right, my next bundle is Little Treats. Now this stamp set isn't just for Christmas. You have little banners, you have ho 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 Merry Christmas, but you've got, especially for you, you've got parcel, you've got some rings, some flowers, some baubles, just a sweet treat, and birthday, and also there's a bit of Halloween in there as well. So it's an all-round stamp set. But what comes, if you purchase this as a bundle, you get this. So this is a little treat bag, and as you can see, there's even a ring on there. So you've got your little baubles, and you can your Santa hat, and your parcel as well. So that'll make some really nice little gift bags or treat bags. I'm looking forward to playing with that. I do like anything that's not just for Christmas, that you can use it at other times of the year. My next bundle is the ornamental envelopes. So this is primarily for stamping on your envelopes, but this particular bauble set you can stamp on the front of your card, and any of the other images you can stamp on the front. But as part of the bundle we have the dies for your envelopes. So this will do inserts for the top of your envelopes or along the flap of your envelopes, and then you've got the die to cut the baubles out, and a couple of other little dies as well to go with it. So that is the envelope dies. It's not something I've seen Stampin' Up do, so it's quite an unusual little set to use, but I'm looking forward to using that. Before I forget, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, then please click the like and subscribe button, and I'm hoping to get 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so I'd really appreciate if you'd help me reach that goal. Thank you. Now this bundle here, it's actually two parts, so you can buy these stamp sets separately, and it's got some really nice script on there, a bauble, and you've got your stocking and some other images on there. And what this goes with is the tag project, and I love me a tag project. I think of all ever since I've been buying from Stampin' Up, I've always bought a tag project. So I'll just bring the images up so you can see them a little bit better. So this is all the stuff to make the tags, and then you can use stamp set to stamp on it. And then after you've finished using the tags, then you've got the stamp set as well anyway. And it comes in a really nice sturdy box, and we've got some twine as well. These projects are great for kids. I've had great fun when we've had kids come around the house and we make lots of tags, and they do enjoy that. So it's a good rainy day kit for being at home at the moment. Now the only other thing I did get is some of the ink pads. So I have Crumb Cake, Cherry Cobbler, Real Red and Garden Green. I was looking through the catalogue and seeing what colours were mainly used, and these are the ones that primarily get used in all the various suites we've got. I didn't purchase any suites this time round. I will be purchasing some at a later date, so I wanted to get the ink pads ready for when I get all the other stuff through. Now on one of my previous videos I did a unboxing of an annual catalogue, and one of the suites I purchased was the Playful Patterns suite. Now unfortunately the dies weren't available straight away, so they have just come today. So I'm going to show you the dies that you get with the Playful Patterns suite. And there you go. So it's all the alphabet and other. You've got ampersand, you've got hashtag, you've got little asterisks and little things like that. So yeah, that's it's always great to have a alphabet dies. So I'm glad I've got this now, and I'll be able to play about with that as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video of my autumn winter catalogue unboxing. If you would like a catalogue, if you want to send me an email, and I will happily put one into the post for you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.